Alright guys, so I'm ArcadeCode and I'm back for episode 5 of my Unity tutorial. So last episode we got this simple motion setup using axes, as you can see right now. But if you check in your game, if you follow the tutorial, you can see that it's slightly jerky. You might not be able to see it properly on the video right now because I am recording. So if you open up your script, and it shouldn't take too long, here we go. You will notice that we put an update, and update does not update all the time at the same speed. So Unity does help us by adding delta time. And as you should know from maths, or if you didn't know, you will know now, delta means difference, and time is time. So delta time is a difference of time. In this occurrence, it's the difference in time between last frame and this. So if we do decide to times it by by time dot delta time, we will times it by the difference in time from last time, making it always the same speed. Here we go. So apply to both because we want to times this value right now by the difference in time. Save this. So time again is a component you want to access, and delta time is the variable in this case. A variable is just a number which is created. When you press play now, and we seem to have an error being interesting. Let me try this again. Did we save this correctly? Oh, we forgot to. I didn't place this in the correct area. Make sure to have your times delta time inside your brackets here. Right, let's check this again. Now when we play it, you'll notice that it moves at a constant speed, but extremely slowly. So we will fix this in this episode as well. To do this, we're going to create a variable. So, and outside of your functions, you want to add a line of code saying public var myspeed int. So what public var myspeed_int does is, public means that you can access this variable everywhere. Var says this, I am creating a variable at the moment. MySpeed is the name of the variable and what you will type in the code. And semicolon int defines the type of variable. So int stands for integer. You could replace this with float, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using int. A float is basically a number with floating decimal points. And we want to times it by my speed over here. Now, you probably noticed that we did not assign any value to my speed at the moment. But that's fine because remember, we made that public. So now that we're going to Unity and click on the cube, you'll notice that underneath your script component, simple movement, you have a variable called mySpeed. And now you can set it to anything you want. For example, 50. When you press play now, you will see that your cube is now moving much more quickly and at a constant speed. So that's all for today's episode, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time for another video implementing more interesting features to the game.